So today's song is an Ed Sheeran song, It's Beautiful People. So we're going to start off with the right hand and the thumb is going to be on the E flat, and the notes you're going to need for this are E flat, F, G, A flat and B flat, and we're just above the middle C, which is here. So the first little bit we're going to do is the bit that actually goes with the words beautiful people. So we're going to start with the thumb and we're going to walk up using all the fingers to the fourth and then down to the G. So it just goes... That's the first little bit, and at the right speed it's a bit faster, it goes, and that's the first little bit. The next section we're going to be using the B flat on your little finger and the F here on your second finger quite a lot. So it goes, and then up to the G. Then the second time it does the same thing, except it goes down to the E flat twice. So you've basically got two short little patterns that keep repeating, either going up to the G or going down to the E flat. So if I play what we've got so far, it starts with a little bit that's beautiful people. Up. Down. Up. Down. And then beautiful people again. Same as the other bit again, up to the B flat. And that's the first half of the chorus done. So after that, we're going to get the left hand ready because it's going to come in a minute. And the next little bit is That's Not Who We Are. So that's two E flats, B flat, F on your second, G on your third finger. Okay, so I'll do it one more time. And then we're going to use the left hand now, and we're going to go E flat on your thumb, B flat, and G. And you can hold them on like that because it sounds quite nice, or just do them one at a time. So, okay. So if I do that second bit all put together, we've got... And this bit that's on the left hand is for the words we are. So it's we are, we are, we are, which is the sort of backing vocals bits. And the next part, again, we're going to use the left hand. We're going to start with the F on the 2, E flat on the thumb, and then C. Okay. So we've got 3 Fs. Okay. So if I play all of that section, and it does the whole thing again. And that's it. So that's the second half of it. The first bit was the bit that started with beautiful people, up like that. So if I play the whole thing together, you can see how it all fits in. So. And that's it. So if you enjoyed that one, you can hit the like button. Tomorrow's tutorial is also going to be on this song, except it'll be covering the chords rather than the melody that we've done today. You can also subscribe to my channel by hitting the link that's coming up on your screen now. Have fun!